Ungle or bier, so peer. Now, here's something to know about those words. Jamaicans use this expression to highlight frequency or volume of something, and it implies that only that thing, whatever it is present. All right. Is that clear? Clear? No? Clear as mud? In case you haven't figured it out, go and listen. Now, if a situation, for instance, involves several foolish occurrences, Jamaican might say, a bier fuulishnis a gwaan, which means everything happening is foolish and nothing in the situation is credible or useful. Likewise, we could say a peer foolishness a gwaan, or a ungle foolishness a gwaan, or a so foolishness a gwaan. Now, notice the literal translation of this Jamaican sentence to English is not standard English. No, it's only foolishness happening. No. So this sentence structure is uniquely Jamaican. Some things are just better in patois. Alright? How would you say a bare foolishness a gwaan in standard English?